Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some advanced Pinterest features you probably didn't know existed. First, let's talk about visual search. Whenever you see a pin you like, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner of the pin. Then, Pinterest will find similar images, ideas or products related to that pin. It's a great way to discover content visually without typing keywords. Next, there's story pins. Unlike regular pins, story pins lets you combine multiple images, videos and text into a single post. You can create step-by-step tutorials, guides or mini presentations that are engaging for your followers. And you can also collaborate on boards. Invite friends or colleagues to contribute to a board. This is perfect for team projects, party planning, or shared inspiration boards. Lastly, don't forget about Pinterest Analytics. If you have a business or creator account, you can track which pins are performing the best, see your audience insights, and optimize your content strategy. And that's all. By using visual search, story pins, collaboration, and analytics, you can take your Pinterest experience to next level. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.